Welcome to Empire Fine Homes' comprehensive update on the Queens real estate market for the first quarter of 2024. I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra. We are here to dive into the numbers, trends, and what that means.
Let's dive into the heart of it. Queens recorded 1,006 sales of 1 to 4 family homes this quarter.
This shows a 4% decrease compared to the first quarter of 2023. While this might seem like a downturn, it is important to understand the factors at play, including economic conditions and the seasonal trends.
Now, onto prices. These median sales prices for these homes was $900,000, up 3% from last year's $875,000.
This increase is a positive sign of the market's resilience and the continued demand for homes in Queens. Let's take a look at what drives these numbers, from interest rates to inventory levels.
Properties spent an average of 84 days on the market before being sold.
When we compare this to the average days on the market at the end of 2023, we notice homes are selling fast, indicating a more dynamic market as we enter 2024.
And the diversity in Queens real estate is evident in our highlight sales. A property in Far Rockaway sold for $120,000, offering an affordable entry into homeownership.
On the other end, Malva saw a luxury property sell for $3,850,000, showcasing the high-end potential in our market. This is particularly interesting because it shows homes are not only entering the market, but also are moving towards sell rapidly with an average of just 51 days.
And as of the end of the quarter, there were 2,011 homes available for sale in Queens.
This inventory level gives us insight into the market's health and potential future trends. A balanced inventory is key to a stable market.
Analyzing these trends helps us understand the bigger picture of the Queens real estate market.
Whether you are considering buying or selling, or simply exploring new options, we are here to provide insight and expertise.
For a personalized analysis or to learn more about how these trends affect you, reach out to us at Empire Fine Homes.
We are passionate about bringing you the most up-to-date and detailed insights to help you make informed decisions.
And there's so much more to come. Market trends, tips for buyers and sellers, and exclusive property tours, all right here on our channel.
So if you found this report helpful and want to stay ahead of the Queens real estate game, hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to click the bell icon. That way you'll get notifications whenever we post a new video.
Thank you for watching our market update. We are Elias and Alejandra from Empire Fine Homes, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content.